welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and for today's video we are going to be talking about some storage solutions. Now, I have a very small space right now in my kitchen that I use to craft, so I have to be pretty diligent about what I'm buying and if it's going to fit in my craft space or not. That being said, you know, we're still working on the shed, so as soon as I can get a video of that, I will get it up for you guys. So today I want to talk about my stencil storage and my embossing powders. So for my stencil storage, what I have is this is American Crafts. Let me see, I got my notes here. This is a 6x6 scrapbook album. However, I obviously don't use it for that. I use it for my stencils. It comes with a pack of 10 pages to do. So I went ahead and ordered 3-pack, which obviously is 30 pages, and I have a lot of stencils, but I also have, you know, space to add more. So I really like this. I feel like it holds a lot. I have them all. I use my label maker on all of them to put the name of the stamp company and the name of the stencil. So a lot of my ones up here are rabbit hole designs. And it literally fits 6x6 stencils. I mean, I can easily slide them in and out, even with pixie spray. So as you can see, you know, a lot of them are rabbit hole. What can I say? I love their stencils. But I also have, let me find it. Okay. So this is my Create and Inspire. These are my Sassy and Crafty. So you see how nice they fit. Even the little, oh, let me take this out so you guys can see without it being too glary. So it even holds like the masks, which is nice because, you know, I have a tendency of losing things, and it just is, it's nice to have it all in one spot, but it also fits in my cube units. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that noise. My cat is like going nuts over this bag. But you can see, like, I have a lot of stencils in here. And I still have plenty of room to add more, which I'm sure that I will because I love stencils. I love ink blending. So yeah, that was a nice little, and you know, there it is. It fits very easily in my cube shelves. I just got a couple cube shelves from Target that go underneath my desk. And they're just the, you know, 2x2s. So now for embossing powder. I love, 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 love Brutus Monroe's embossing powder. So what I have is I have these in these refrigerator bins, but they're skinny, so I can fit, I mean, you can see here I have 2 rows of embossing powder in here, and they all stack up on, you know, stack on each other, which is nice. And I have them all facing so I can see which colors that I have, or which colors, you know, that I need to pull. So I have 3 of these, and what I did was I used my label maker and just put Brutus Monroe and embossing powder. So it's very nice because, again, this fits in my cube, it fits in my rolling cart. I can pick it up and take it with me wherever I need to go, and it just, you know, really, really nice. And like I said, I'm not joking when I say I love, let me see if I can zoom you out just a little bit, Brutus Monroe embossing powders. I literally have it full. But I can even take these ones that I have in this bin and add it to this bin and, you know, keep it that way. So I got these for very cheap. If you have a Marshalls, a TJ Maxx, maybe, I think Home Goods too. I think I paid like $2 per refrigerator bin. I don't order these on Amazon. I just feel like they're, you know, way too expensive for what they are. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. The giveaway announcement will be coming up very soon. And then Friday will be a company spotlight. So, and I'm going to try to add a video on Saturday. I know Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I have some big things in the works for a couple videos. So stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, I have a new intro video. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to keep it nice and simple and sweet and just, you know, something a little different for 2021. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.